Okay, so let's take a look at how to do this pencil graph from chapter 9. We'll go up to the window menu and, well, actually we'll go to view and we'll choose the pencil view. That's going to allow us to zoom in on this tiny little pencil, and we need to then go up to review rulers and show rulers if you don't have the rulers, and that's going to allow you to take a guide and drag it to the very tip of the pencil and then the very bottom of the eraser, and that will give us kind of a framework to put a rectangle around it, and this rectangle should have no fill and no stroke. And actually, as we're doing this, we need to select all of the pieces that make up the pencil, right click and choose group. That's going to make sure that they all stay together. And then we're going to have our rectangle that, again, no fill, no stroke, and we want it to be exactly the height of the pencil. Now it's important, it looks like it's not sitting or interfering with this pencil, but currently it's on top of it. So with it still selected, we'll right click and choose arrange and send to back. So if I undo that and fill this with a color of, let's say, black, now you can see that it's on top of the pencil. So I can right click and choose arrange, send to back, and then take that fill out. Once you have that done, you can highlight by clicking and dragging both across both the invisible box and your pencil, and then you're going to go to Object, Graph, Design, and you're going to click New Design, rename that design, we'll call it Pencil, and click OK. Now once you've done that, you can hit Command or Control 0 to zoom back out. So again, we had our tiny little pencil up here. We'll click on the graph and go to Object, Graph, and then go to Column so we can make sure that the pencil is the design we use for the column. So we'll click Column, choose Pencil, and don't worry about these, it was just me experimenting with another document. But we'll click Pencil. This is the only one you should see on there unless you've created your own. Make sure it says vertically scaled, and we can leave this checked Rotate Legend Design and click OK. So now we have a pencil that has been scaled vertically for each of those columns.